What is up? I'm a little down. Got a taste of the Rona. I got the first drop on Rona. I had early access on the vid. So this is just a cold, but it does suck. Should be gone in a couple days. Wife already got it. Anyway, on important things. First pair ever of Saucony AZURA in Horween leather and oxblood. Rouge Foncé. Foncé must mean ox, I guess. These came in a bag. It took Saucony from Black Friday weekend until today, the 13th, to get these to me. Which I would consider incredibly slow for FedEx. Even for the holidays, it's just crazy. But let's get into it. It's a cool retro box, very retro. I don't know if this dates back to like the Azura era of like the 2004 boxes, but it has the cool Saucony tissue paper, which I've very rarely seen. And then the Azura in Horween black leather with red leather accents, which I would actually say are more maroon. Has the cool old school tag on the side. If I can get this to focus. Talks about the lacing system. It mentions something pretty hilarious on the tag when you're talking about the care of your Azura ST, which these aren't actually STs, I don't think. Recommends that you wash these shoes in cold water by hand. You dry them in open air. Yeah, I wouldn't be doing that to no Horween leather. So I actually pulled open the one that I have lace swapped. But let's get out the one that's not lace swapped and get these side by side. I relaced these, but they have black wax laces. And then this gorgeous, ridiculous, like better than baseball mitt quality Horween leather. The medial Saucony River logo with the stitched in S is in the dark red versus the lateral is in black. I honestly wish that was reversed. For the money, I'm not going to complain, but so be it. They did not come with spare laces. They are fully leather lined. The tongue is leather front and back all the way down. And even the insole is leather. They're like probably one of the most leathered out kicks I've ever owned or seen. And the spare laces came from my Shadow 6000 burgundy pair, burgundy gray. I'm digging the looks. What do you think? Horween it is.